Hello everybody, here's my Mamaw, and this is her Christmas present from Jonathan. Just her son, my Uncle Jonathan, got her this for Christmas, an early present.
Little Mrs. Dad. Yeah, he come down here the other day and my TV's going on the blink, it's getting black, and he seen it. And he said he was going to get me and Milton a Christmas present. So he went out and brought us this TV, said because the TV was going out. So here we are. We're going to do what Kim does.
Yeah, unboxing.
An unboxing, because it's in a box.
Yeah. So she's gonna do an unboxing on her new TV, and this is what it is. It's a Hisense Roku TV. It's got the Netflix, the Roku, the Disney Plus, all these apps is like built onto it. You just got to sign into them if you have them. The only one that I know for sure we have is the Netflix and Roku.
So, you know, us old folks, we don't know how to use all this stuff, so they'll have to show me. He said he wanted to get me a smart TV. We'll see how smart it is.
Yeah.
Probably smarter than me.
So we're gonna cut it open real quick for you guys.
Corey will probably have to show us how to use it.
Yeah, I could set it up for him.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna put you on the camera thing here so I can pull it out and help Mama
Corey's
to dig it
gonna
out.
help me here. We'll set it in front here.
Put you on the tripod.
I'll hold the box down and he can pull it out.
Make sure I got a good camera view for you guys.
Yeah, Milton's in Beckley, so we're trying to wait on him, but he hasn't got here yet. So we decided to go ahead and do it.
Here's the remote. See, it's got a button just for Netflix and for Disney Plus, and it's got Apple TV. That's
Have
a little.
YouTube on it?
Yeah, it's got it's got Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime. You could watch YouTube on it.
Oh, that's what he said. He's getting it for me, Corey.
Here's the two stand pieces. It's like kind of like half, like a boomerang shake almost.
Yeah.
Little boomerangs. That's the stand pieces.
Oh, come on. Sounds like the whole thing was going to come out there. How you want to do it?
I'll just grab it and pull it out.
There it is.
Here's the TV.
I don't know what that is.
That's the cord. Batteries for the remote.
I think that's it. Push it over there. I think this is, no, if I say, it looks bigger than mine, don't it?
Yeah, that's the same. It's 43 inches. I'm gonna try to put see if I could put the, the legs on there real quick.
Oh, you lift it up and I pull that off?
Well, first I'm just gonna open these to get them ready.
Oh, okay.
Figure out how they work first before we lift it up.
It's been probably 20-some years since we've had a new TV, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's been a long time. I told Corey the other day it's been about 30 or 40 years, and he said, no, Mama, I don't think it's been that long.
Yeah, I'm only 29, and I remember the other TVs we had before that one, so
So maybe about,
maybe 20.
yeah, maybe 20 years. Yeah, I got it. We had movie night here with the young people. And we would show Christian movies here, like Left Behind and different ones like that. For 'em.
I'm gonna have to find a little 4-way screwdriver real quick because it's got these 4 screws to screw it in.
Yeah.
I don't know how we're gonna like
Oh,
lean
yeah.
it back enough to get the legs on there.
But yeah, this is my Christmas present, or me and Milton's Christmas present from Jonathan. I had Corey to pick Jonathan up cologne from Japan because he's into that. He's like Corey, he's into cologne too. But He said he liked some of it, but it's a little bit expensive for him. So I had Corey to pick him some up.
If y'all haven't seen Kim's video where we showed the review of all the clones, y'all should go check it out. We show every single one of the clones that I have. And the one that was my all-time favorite is the Burberry. That's the one that I ended up getting for Jonathan, or that Mamaw got for him.
Yeah, and that's what he said he liked. And we was talking about perfumes and stuff, and I was talking about my mom, how me and her used to, we used to get blue walls. I don't know if any of y'all remember any of it or not, but it was in a heart shape, and that was Mom's favorite. And then there was a Ben-Hur, and the blue walls was my favorite, and I hadn't seen it for years. And then the last that she got, because we couldn't find no more blue walls or Ben-Hur, she got Taboo or something like it was called. And I've got the little jar, it's up in her china cabinet that I got all her stuff in there. And the scent is still in that jar, and it fills up the china cabinet. So I told Jonathan, I said, next time you're down here, I'm gonna open the china cabinet door of Mom's and let you smell Mom. Because it was a taboo that it's still, the scent is still there. After, oh, how long's she been dead?
Probably 20 years too, because
No.
I remember whenever I was a little kid.
You was real little, wasn't you? It might have been 10, 15 years that Mom's been dead. Don't know. But anyway, me and her, that was our favorite perfume. You know, and we liked honeysuckle too, but these was the main ones. And we went to other ones after they quit selling them around here. But I went to Amazon, because Jonathan told me, he said, maybe Amazon, said, I'd like to get some, that what you and Mamaw used to wear. And he said he was going to go to Amazon, see if it was on there. And so I checked it out, and it is on there. So I said, oh, but the Ben-Hur is so expensive. It's like some of the perfumes that Cordy gets. But the blue walls, I think, was like $17, which I use soft musk. I get it at the dollar store for $3.
That can't be kind. $3 special.
$3. And I like to smell that white musk, I think is what it is. So what we gonna do here?
I think we have to lay it down to get the legs on, so we might have to lay it on the back on the couch.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, let me get over here.
we could lay it on the couch over here, and then I could put the legs on it.
I don't know, it looks bigger than mine, Corey.
I think it's because the trim, maybe. It says the same though, they're both 43 inches.
Annie, she's got one in there that's 63 inches in her room, and I said, that's just a little bit too much, you know.
No, it's a bit extreme.
Yeah, looks like you're in the movie theater. I said, no, I don't want nothing like that. I tried to watch YouTube on this one, but you have to push so many buttons, and Jonathan was telling me you don't have to push that many buttons to get to YouTube on the TV, so I didn't know. I usually just watch it on my phone. But it does look a whole lot better on the TV screen. But yeah, we're supposed to have our Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. I think Corey's going to be filming the preaching at the church. Our pastor's just got out of the hospital. He had a heart attack, so he won't be there. They have another preacher coming in, and he's going to be preaching. Then we're going to have, I think we're going to film it.
Yeah, we'll film the Sunday service, and then we're going to film the Thanksgiving dinner after Sunday school or after Sunday service.
Yeah.
So y'all make sure to stay tuned for that. It'll be tomorrow at about 6 o'clock, maybe 7.
No, Sunday school.
Oh, well, tomorrow's not Sunday?
Tomorrow's Sunday, but it won't be 6 o'clock. It'll be.
Oh, it'll be early.
You'll upload it over.
Yeah, it'll be uploaded about 6 o'clock. So y'all
Yeah.
make sure to tune in on YouTube at 6 o'clock if y'all want to see the videos of the Sunday message and the Sunday school and stuff like that.
And the Thanksgiving dinner.
Not sure what this is. I guess this is where the signal goes in from the remote and it reads it here, maybe. Well, that might be the power button it's clicking in. I think that's the power, probably.
Gonna be like figuring it all out, ain't you? Because me and Milton don't know nothing about it.
That's it.
It has plastic all over it too.
Yeah.
So.
If you want to peel it off, you can. Or if you can leave it on there too for a long time. Some people leave theirs on. Some people takes them off.
Probably better taking it off. So there's our TV from Jonathan. He said, yours gonna go out, Mama, and I've been planning on getting you a TV for Christmas anyway, so you have everything on there that you need, so it won't be so hard for you to click to everything. I still probably have to click to something, I don't know, but it takes me a while to, even for YouTube, it took Corey a long time teaching me how to get on YouTube. So, but that's our unboxing. Like Kim, I done the unboxing, the first one I done.
Yeah, she'll be proud of you. I guess that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all are still watching at this point, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, share us to Facebook if you want to. But make sure to stay tuned. We're going to be doing a cooking video later on today. Probably a few hours after this goes up, there'll be a cooking video out. So y'all make sure to watch that. I'm sure it's be a really interesting one, but we love y'all and God bless y'all, and we'll see y'all on the next one.
Amen. Love y'all like Corey and Kim does.
I love y'all.